Hey friends, hey, Butterick recently came out with some cute little summer patterns, and I thought I would take this time to look at them really quickly with you all. And at the very end, I'm going to share with you which ones I plan on picking up, and let me know in the comments which ones you are enjoying. See you at the end of the video. Okay, so now we're moving on to the portion of the video where I share with you the patterns I plan to get. And this first one is Butterick 7045. At first, I was not going to get this pattern because I made a similar pattern by Simplicity, and that was Simplicity 9646 a while back, and I absolutely loved it, but there was an issue with the collar, so I thought, well, maybe I don't need it. But then when I looked at the pattern more, there's a lot more fullness in the sleeves, and I did pick up some gorgeous fabric during the closeout sale at Joann's that I want to use to color block those sleeves. So that is why I picked that up, and I think it's absolutely stunning. So this next pattern is Butterick 7044, and I absolutely love this look. I love this flared skirt, and it has ruffled edge curved seams and elastic back and side seam pockets. Just so practical for me. I'm always looking for a good skirt pattern. I love skirts, I love dresses, so this was perfect, and that pop of pink just really spoke to me. So yes, definitely getting that as well. So my next pick of the crop is Butterick 7038, and this is such a beautiful pattern. I do have patterns like this in my stash already, but it is that binding, that, you know, just that outline of view A that I absolutely adore, that just takes this dress to another level. And the instructions are in this packet, so that is the reason why I'm going to get it, because I want to make sure that I'm doing it right. It's such a classy pattern, and I am definitely going to be having that one in my stash. So this last pick is Butterick 7040, and this is actually something that I cannot wear right now, or at least I don't feel comfortable wearing right now. This is a goals pick as I am on my weight loss journey. This is a close-fitting sleeveless wrap dress pattern that has a sash that ties around the waist. It has a broad shelf and a narrow hem, and I'm absolutely loving this look. I used to have a ton of dresses like this back in the day, and the goal is to get in them again. Well, maybe not in those because I don't have it anymore, but the goal is to be able to wear dresses like this and be able to get in them again, those type of styles. So yes, that's my goal. If I had confidence that Simplicity was going to keep these patterns around by the time I reached my goals, then maybe I would hold off, but I'm going to go ahead and get it since it's not that much money when it goes on sale. All right, everyone, so that is it for this video. Please let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite pattern of choice, or which ones you plan to pick up, you know, all those good things. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this type of content. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.